If you want to get the list of unique companies that are from an email list, there's a nice quick way to do it. So firstly, we need to, in a separate column, extract the company or the domain name. So you could use text to columns, but we find flash fill is very quick. So all you do is adjacent to it. So there's column A, right next door, column B. I write what I want to see. So you can see I need to put in the domain name. Then what I do is I go to data, flash fill. And you'll see Excel has now looked at what you gave it compared to what you had, and then it's corrected it. So that's the first part. But what you'll see is there's duplicates here. So the same company a few times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the column, copy it. I'm just going to paste it here. I do want to keep that. You'll see why just now. I'm going to paste it. Now I want to see the unique domain names. So again, I'm going to highlight it. Again, data, remove duplicates. Now what it's saying is it's seen some stuff here. Do you want to keep it or not? I'm going to say continue with the current selection. What we now wants to know, I've only highlighted one column, but it needs to know that that's the one you're worried about. My data is headers. I'm going to ignore that. When I click OK. So now this email list only contains these domains. So that's nice. So we now know what they are. Just as an added bonus, if we want to know how many emails came from that domain versus that domain, etc., we can go, I'm going to use a function called countifs. So you'll see it says countifs. So the first part is easy enough. Please go look. So I can either look here or I can look here. This one's easier. So I'm going to just highlight that list. Put $signs on. And the criteria now, because I've extracted them, I can just point here. So what we're saying is count how many times you see that in this list. When I say OK, it tells me 8. I can copy it down. And so you can quickly take an email list, get all the domain names out of it, get the unique domain or company names out of it, and then see how many emails came from each one.